For decades, potato chips and fries have been guilty pleasures we love, but know aren't good for us. The problem isn't just the oil or salt. It's a hidden carcinogen called acrylamide that forms when cold-stored potatoes are fried at high temperatures. But scientists at Michigan State University have just cracked the code on making these snacks genuinely healthier. The issue starts with something called cold-induced sweetening. When potatoes are stored in cold temperatures, which is necessary for year-round snack production, their starches convert to sugars. When these sugar-rich potatoes are fried, they create acrylamide, a compound linked to increased cancer risk. Professors Jiming Zhang and David Douche identified the specific gene responsible for this cold-induced sweetening process. More importantly, they discovered the regulatory element that activates this gene under cold conditions. This breakthrough is huge for the snack industry. Michigan alone contributes $240 million annually to the potato chip market, and manufacturers have struggled with this cold storage problem for years. Current methods to reduce sugar content in cold-stored potatoes are expensive and can alter the taste. But by understanding exactly how this gene switches on and off, scientists can now develop potato varieties that are naturally resistant to cold-induced sweetening. The research, published in the Plant Cell Journal, opens the door to targeted genetic modification approaches. These new potato varieties won't produce the toxic acrylamide compound when fried, making chips and fries significantly safer to eat. The implications extend beyond snack foods. This discovery could reduce acrylamide formation in all processed starchy foods, improve storage flexibility, and reduce food waste. Zhang is optimistic about commercial availability in the near future, stating this could affect every single bag of potato chips around the world. It's a pivotal moment where our favorite snacks can finally be both delicious and healthier. For more on this story, find a link to the full article on Earth.com in the description.